Plant FAQs. Colocasia Tropical Storm. Colocasia Tropical Storm. Frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a plant enthusiast, I constantly get questions about the captivating Colocasia Tropical Storm. This stunning elephant ear variety boasts dramatic foliage in a compact form, making it a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Let's delve into some of the most common inquiries about this beauty. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia Tropical Storm? The Colocasia Tropical Storm is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Colocasia esculenta species, commonly known as taro. This specific variety is prized for its unique appearance. Its heart-shaped leaves are a deep, almost black purple, adorned with a striking central stripe of creamy white. The plant forms a clumping habit, reaching a mature height and width of 2 to 3 feet. What are the benefits of growing a Colocasia Tropical Storm? There are several reasons why the Colocasia Tropical Storm is a favorite among gardeners. Visual appeal. The dramatic foliage adds a touch of the tropics to any space. The contrasting dark purple and creamy white create a bold statement, while the large, heart-shaped leaves add a touch of whimsy. Compact growth. Unlike some elephant ear varieties that can become quite large, the tropical storm maintains a manageable size, making it ideal for container gardening or smaller spaces. Versatility. This plant thrives both indoors and outdoors in warm climates. USDA hardiness zones 7 to 10. It adds a touch of the exotic to patios and decks, while its lush foliage brings life to living rooms and sunrooms. Low maintenance. While not entirely neglect-proof, the Colocasia Tropical Storm is a relatively easy-care plant. It requires moderate watering and prefers warm, humid conditions. How do I care for a Colocasia Tropical Storm? Here are some key tips for keeping your tropical storm happy and healthy. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can provide good drainage and aeration. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Temperature and humidity. The Colocasia Tropical Storm prefers warm temperatures, ideally above 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and high humidity. Misting the leaves regularly or using a humidifier can help maintain humidity levels. Is the Colocasia Tropical Storm toxic? Yes. Like most Colocasia varieties, the tropical storm is toxic to humans and pets if ingested. The culprit is calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation of the mouth, throat, and stomach. Keep this plant out of reach of children and curious animals. How is the Colocasia Tropical Storm different from other elephant ear varieties? There are many elephant ear varieties available, each with its own unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of the tropical storm with two popular choices. Colocasia Black Velvet. This variety boasts even darker foliage than the tropical storm, with near-black, velvety leaves. However, it tends to be a bit larger and requires slightly more humidity. Colocasia Black Magic. Similar to the tropical storm, Black Magic has dark purple leaves with a metallic sheen. However, it lacks the contrasting white stripe and can grow significantly larger. Where can I buy a Colocasia Tropical Storm? You can find Colocasia Tropical Storm plants at many online retailers and garden centers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Final thoughts. The Colocasia Tropical Storm is a captivating and relatively low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of drama to any space. With its stunning foliage and compact form, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners alike. So, if you're looking for a unique and eye-catching addition to your plant collection, consider giving the Colocasia Tropical Storm a try.